Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today's video, I have a card model that I won in a lottery where I paid only like €2 for the lottery. So basically got this guy, and it's pretty cool. It is the Matra MS670B from 1974. There are your drivers: Henry Pres Prescarolo, F probably for Finland, maybe, I don't know, and Gerard Larusso or Larossi, Larus, I don't know, 20 hours of Le Mans. So not sure who is the manufacturer. It will be up on in the name of the video. I'll probably research it before posting it. So yeah, enough of that. Let's get into it. Comes off with the acrylic case. I'm really hoping it's a roller, because it is metal. Die-cast model, of course. So here's the base. Save that, so I'm going to put that to the side. So it looks it will be a roller. No details on the base because it is a race car, so that's kind of obvious. We have like slick tires. Does it say? No, it just says made in China. There's no manufacturer or anything, so I'll probably maybe it's like D'Agostini or something like that. Could be. So we have fully lensed headlights. It looks like we have. I just realized. Wait a minute. Is this thing damaged? Are you kidding me? Yeah, there's no lens in the front of this thing. Oh, that's annoying. So I got a damaged model. I was so hyped about this guy. Now I find out that it's damaged. Now that is very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. Unless it's supposed to be like that, which I really doubt it is. Yeah, sadly there was nothing, as you saw. Like, I took it out of the acrylic case and it was already like that. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing with this now. It is pretty sad because I was pretty happy to get this, especially like for €2. It was a funny amount. The body is die-cast metal, so it got your details in there, like the steering wheel. You got your gauges and everything in there. For safety, you have the fire extinguisher, some bars, rear view mirror, the intake for the engine, so you can it cools it or some or stuff like that. Yeah, that is annoying. This means I'll have to eventually, if I see this guy, I will have to find the one that is in perfect shape. Hey, but it rolls. Yeah, you can hear my voice. I'm disappointed. I am just. Yeah, how did I not notice that? I'm a little bit shocked at myself that I didn't notice that. Yeah, that is quite annoying. But oh well, there's nothing I can do about it now. So yeah, there's a little bit of a fail video. I'm still gonna post this video. So if you're seeing this, this is, well, it got posted anyway. It's a very good model. It's just that yeah, that is sad. That's sad. Yeah. Oh well. I'm actually gonna hope that I just look it up on the internet. It's supposed to be like that, but it's probably, I really doubt that it is. I really doubt that it is. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you still liked it. If you have gotten yours with the light, please tell me, because I really doubt that it's supposed to be like that. If it is, okay, but like I said, I really, really, really doubt that it's supposed to be like that. So, yeah. So yeah, I keep saying so. I'm sorry, but like, subscribe, all that stuff, and hope to see some better stuff in the future. So, ciao.